I'm going to walk you guys through the trade copier and how to set it up. But first, since it's new, I want to leave this video with some stats so you can see how this is working through the first 2 days of trading. Let's start here because I track all of this. I have my dashboard up over here when the market is going. And I also want to say this, if you guys are hesitant, you've used a trade copier, maybe it hasn't worked, maybe whatever the scenario is, I am actively in our Discord all day long. You can DM me if you have a problem. I'm in the Discord, I'm in general chat, I'm in the support channel. I also have a tech ticket that you can email in on, or you can just DM me. I'm here to help you. And here are the stats of the trade copier with 46 hours of trading time. This started Sunday, Asia Open, to end of New York session on Tuesday. 48 hours since launch. 97.79% follower order success rate, meaning when a leader clicks trade, 97.79% of all trades and all followers have executed the trades perfectly and in sync with the leader. So we've had 4,834 out of 4,943 proper executions. We've had a couple fall through, and the reason they've been falling through actually is because they're blown prop firm accounts. I can see that in the logs that it tells me order rejected, account is blown. That's the error message that it gives me. So I didn't take that out of these logs because I just want to be as transparent as I can. The detection latency from when the leader clicks buy or sell on a trade to all of the followers being copied is 239 ms or 0.239 seconds, which means when you click buy, time you even have a chance to think, oh, I wonder if that worked, it's already happened and all of your followers are in the exact same trade. Again, in 46 hours of trading time, between our lifetime members and our current elite members and trade copier members, we've had 1,758 individual leader trades and events copied. So we've had over 1,700 trades run through in 46 hours with a 98% follower success rate. Of all of those trades, 95.22% of trades have had every single follower that's tied to the leader fill appropriately and successfully. So that again, blown prop firm accounts. Some of them have been our worker actually that monitors all of this on the server logs actually failed for about 6 minutes. So this isn't 100% like, oh, just blown prop firms. Like, been working through a couple things along the way, but we've had a really high success rate with this. So Tradovate success rates 97.84%, Rhythmic 96.13%. So these are the stats for the first 48, 46 hours of actual trade time. Very, very happy with this. So if you're scared about new tech, the stats are showing that it's holding up as expected, as I intended it to. But now back to the trade copier and how it actually works. Once you log in, this is the first thing you're going to see. You click create first group, and then you're just going to want to type in, I'll just do test video and select your broker. You can select Tradovate, Rhythmic, or Project X. Forex and crypto support is coming. I'm building out those items right now. Forex will probably be in the next 10 days. Crypto will be shortly after that. So right now, this is for futures only. So we're going to click Tradovate, and then you just want to select your account. I'm going to pick this top Tradeify one right here. And then you just scroll down to whatever accounts you want. I'll click all my top one futures with select all. And let's just do these Tradeify ones right here and then click create group. So once this stacks everything up, you have your leader right here. You want to click the power button to turn it on. It won't work unless you turn it on, and it'll start syncing all of these to the database right here. So this will kick over to connected while I'm talking, but it's syncing and pairing everything together. That way, when this one selects to enter a buy or a sell, it's going to mirror it to all of these accounts right here. So let's say, as an example, this bottom one is getting close to drawdown and maybe your trade's going south and this one doesn't have as much room and you want to preserve it. You can click flatten just this one right here, or you can get out of all of them with the flatten all button right here. You also could just come here and click the pause button once you're out of it and pause this one for 4 hours. That way the rest of these can keep trading while you're waiting for this one to maybe kind of back on its feet, and you need to kind of nurse that one a little bit. So then another thing you can do is when you come into edit group, you can pick if you want your entry timing to be variable. So you could have this to be, if you're worried about prop firms or anything like that and timing, and you just have any concerns at all, you could actually do entry timing variability where it will delay the entry of all the followers either half a second, 1 second, or up to 3 seconds, and they'll all be different. So it'll all start moving around, and just do your entries at different times if you don't want to end up on anyone's pattern recognition, for example. You also will get live P&L tracking. You will get your group day P&L. You have a P&L card right here that most of these trade copiers have, that will tell you you had one group with X amount of accounts and your daily P&L was here and your open P&L was here when all the balances and everything populate after a few trades. You can download it, share it on social media, save it, do whatever you want with it. And then over here, you can also come into the manage broker connections and you can do Tradovate, Project X, or Rhythmic. You can see I have all of my accounts connected right here. You can manage all of them individually. Like, you can click the details and drop down. It'll have your balances populated. This one is in the process of converting over to a funded account. So this one has a zero balance because this account is converting right now. And you can add an unlimited number of connections and accounts. There's no limits. I don't have any limits on any of this. If you had 500 accounts, you could copy trade them all if you wanted to. You can have an unlimited number of groups. You can have an unlimited number of everything. And as the stats in the beginning showed, we are running at a pretty high success rate through 46 hours of trading. I'm going to be adding more features to this, but right now, as it stands, this is operational with an almost 98% success rate from leader to follower. And if you want to learn more, you can check it out on quantcrawler.com.